Hey guys, welcome back to NFT Inspo. For today's video, we are going to show you how to fix Steam error code E84. So if you're interested, let's start the tutorial. Now, for us to actually fix this issue, we need to actually access the actual settings or properties for Steam. So look for the Steam on your desktop here. So I have my Steam icon here. Let's go ahead and right click on it, and you want to go to your properties. Now, under properties, you want to go to shortcut, and under shortcut, you want to go ahead and add the following text. So first is going to be -login. So make sure there's no space in between it, and also add a space in between the actual path here and login. Now, once you've added login, you want to go ahead and actually add a space or another space here, and you want to go ahead and type the following, which is going to be -no react login. Now, once you've done that, go ahead and click on apply, click on OK, and once you've done that, that would actually fix your issue, and from then on, you should be good. And that's about it. So, hopefully this video was able to help you. Like and subscribe to NFT Inspo. Thank you for watching.